Which one is?
People versus Bonner. Is it Bon Giovanno?
Yes,
I love it. Where'd that come from?
My grandfather actually was in the service and he had a Italian brand and they were really close buddies, I think. They came from not for Vietnam, but he lost them. And so he decided to give my father the name and I'm saying it.
So it's a family name.
Gave to myself.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Who cares about the last name? The first name's got the story. Bonner. Counsel your parents.
Not as exciting.
No, it's not. I love unusual names, and I especially like unusual names with stories, right? I've told people, make up a story. That's too good a name not to have a story. Yeah. Yeah.
Lawyer something. So that's why
Well, they were right. That's funny. That's a good one. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Tell me about the plea.
So he's gonna be guilty to the children. Dismissed.
Yep. Okay. All right. Mr. Bonner, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you file an appearance, by the way?
It's on the.
Got it in the system? All right. It's not on my ROA because I don't have an updated ROA because I just want to make sure your name's on the file. All right. So yes, you've talked about your rights and options.
Yes.
Understood them?
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, would you voir dire? Incident date I've got is September 5.
September 5th, this year, will you, Van Buren Township contest. Yeah, I don't mind the pictures.
Very few do.
0562 Belleville Road, Mark. Yes. And when you were there, would you perhaps get accused of stealing something that caused disturbance, shouting? Yes. I said so.
So am I. What should I know about Mr. Bonner before I sentence?
Robert Bonner hasn't had any criminal offenses in over 10 years. The original allegations in this case that led to restitution is that it's trading cards, it's not products, it was chicken and some other spices, but it was good. Financially, settled tighter, maybe, and
How new?
sorry.
How new?
Oh, it's almost 23 with it. And then his fiance's mother lost her job, so they're kind of trying to help out a little bit. I did suggest, because he did have some prior retail frauds, and it's not how that happened. So he talked about therapy, and he has provided me with a telehealth.
Oh, cool.
Poll.
They haven't started yet.
So take time to be referrals and all that.
Yeah, yeah.
We start scheduled for December tomorrow.
Good.
Also adding complete 4-hour Cleaner Solutions retail fraud shopping class and just.
Good. Good.
But he's got a bachelor's degree, works for Blue Cross Blue Shield.
How long you been with Blue Cross? Sorry, counsel.
Since 2016.
Long time. Okay, go ahead.
That's about it, Judge. He's engaged to getting married this year, child, all that, yeah. You know, just bad choice.
All right. Oh, Mr. Bonner, don't feel that you have to say anything at all, but I'm going to give you a chance if there's anything you want to add.
Say something, like I said, this was involved, just to reiterate, going through it very tough. I mentioned time that it done up some behavior and I thought I had dug away. Just did foresee myself in this situation. Out of the pressure from this situation, I'm getting very bad choice. I'm trying to do everything I can to make sure that does not happen again.
Okay.
Very net positive contribution to society. I'm an actuary that works there, so
worked very hard for my college days. I was still trying to type career and be positive and be positive and impact. Make important statements. They will always cover and, continue to be.
Okay. All right. Do I need to order you to go to that program? The therapy?
Absolutely not. I have.
You're doing that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So was that at his suggestion?
No, I wanted to do something different. I did speak with him and he suggested, he just kind of reaffirmed.
Right.
Because obviously this has happened before. I know I needed to do something different to keep me out of this behavior pattern.
Yeah.
It was something that I saw out, he definitely reaffirmed.
Yeah. How about the 4-hour program?
Well, I mean, to be honest, I knew about it. I figured that you may, require that, he would refer that to.
Yeah.
I didn't do that until you.
Yeah. All right. So I'm going to tell you what, usually you'd be doing some work program for me, but you've been so proactive on this. I'm going to waive that. All right. I'm just going to do the money. So the restitution amount is $47.02 and, the fines and costs are $400. So can you pay it today? Total? Sure. By 3 p.m. All right. All right. Anything else, gentlemen? All right. Have a great day. You as well.
Ready to light in the morning, Mr. Smith, Mr. Smith, station name. Yes, Smith,
Thank you.
pre-trial court, interview with reading, advising the charge of lack of power. You know, we've come to a resolution here, check some mission community, with the, case here, under 771.
Yep.
Under the buildings that
Okay. Mr. Smith, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with counsel? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you find yourself at a checkpoint at Metro Airport on November 6th? And at that time, did you have something in your possession that you weren't authorized to have there? And what was that? All right. All right. When you say basically a BB gun, what does that mean? Burner. Okay. I'm familiar with the burner. I wouldn't call it a BB gun though. I've seen those things hit. Yeah. I'm satisfied. Okay. All right. What should I know about Mr. Smith?
he has basically no criminal offenses outside of like maybe some
Traffic stuff? Yeah.
work, and he's here with his family. His intention was to check in with the front counter, but he got to the airport late, the line there was long, so he started rushing, and all he could get through with it, but he was all right today. So he's a good guy.
Yeah.
Simply,
Okay.
rush judgment.
Yep. Yep. You're working?
Took the buyout, from Chrysler. I was working for 10 years and now I'm self-employed, so
What do you do?
basically they moved me with videos.
Oh, good for you. You making money? Yeah. 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 Good. Good. So how long you been trying that gig?
That's all been 6 months now.
Okay. Yeah. So you don't have to be making money now. Yeah.
I was able to getting up with trade services now.
Okay. So this is really off topic. Like this is the farthest off topic as we could get. So literally, if I could line up the windows right, I could see it. There's a new theater right over there. Okay. All right. It's in the old fire hall. They just recently, like in the last 3 weeks, showcased a local filmmaker's movie. You know about it?
No, I don't.
All right. So seriously, you go over there. I can't get your number, but I'm sure there's something on the door. Reach out to them because they're a brand new theater. So they're looking for stuff to get people in. You're a brand new filmmaker, right? Looking for people to see your stuff. So hook up with the guy. Yeah, hook up with the guy. All right. So back to business. I'll delay sentence for 3 months. You can stay out of trouble for another 3 months. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Talk to him. That's all right.
I had another situation going on. In the fourth year, I'm in a battle for my daughter. I want to see her once a week.
Right.
This right here was probably making worse for me.
I don't know.
It's not true.
I don't know. You know, even if I'm not sure, even if they found it, This is, I mean, yeah, this is a crime, but you know how many of these we see? It would blow your mind. The last airport docket I had, what do we average? How many cases do we average on the airport docket? 100?
Yeah, close to.
I'll bet there was 10. Same thing as you.
Mhm.
People that had a firearm in their bag, and this is the first burn I've had. So usually they're like real bang bangs, right? Had a firearm in their bag, forgot about it, whatever. It happens a lot. But if you're worried about it, you got a divorce attorney?
Yeah, divorce, finalized.
Oh, this is just, all right.
Now I'm working on getting more time with my daughters.
But you're doing it without an attorney?
Hopefully, no.
So here's what I'll do. I'll go forward and just give you the deal. Or if you want to, we'll adjourn it. You can go get the advice of somebody that does family law stuff and find out if they think it's going to hurt you or not.
That's-
All right. All right. All right. So I'll delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $400. Can you pay the $400 today or do you need some time?
Little time, simply look through.
You want to just pick a due date? You want to just pick a due date? Tell me when.
I just move here at the pool.
Say it again.
If I can do the new year, that'd be. Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to give you the whole new year.
Sure.
How about January 8th? That's enough? All right, you're all set. Seriously, go check out that theater and see if you can find some contact information. If nothing else, my mind just is blank today, but the name is on the door. It's like the firehouse or whatever. They're all over Facebook. Reach out to the guy. The guy that runs the place is John Feed. He's a local firefighter. So reach out to him because I'm sure he'd be willing to set something up with you. All right, good luck. Remember me when you're famous, when you get that shout out for that first Oscar or something. Jonathan Rosales. Is it China, Dawson? Is that how you say that? Come on up. Miss Dawson, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Prosecutor says you're going to enter a plea of guilty to the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle on the date of October 15, 2025. Is that the deal? Did you read your rights form? You understand your rights? Understand the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on or before or on that date at Metro Airport? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What is the status of your license now? Reinstated? Wonderful. And are you working? Where at? Oh, great. How long have you been with the post office?
About 10 years.
Good, good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. All right, so Ms. Dawson, fines and costs on your file, $550. I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the $550 today or you need to talk options? Options?
Yeah.
Talk options downstairs. And downstairs is where you can schedule your 4 days on the work program. Any questions about work program or anything else? Good luck. You're welcome. Yes. Diallo? Good morning, sir. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? All right. I've got a piece of paper that says you've talked to the prosecutor, says you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle on October 27th. If I accept your plea to that charge, the prosecutors asked me to dismiss both original charges. Is that your deal?
Yes,
Did you read your rights form? Did you understand your rights and the possible, or did you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Up to $500 fines plus court costs, up to 90 days in jail. That means 0 to 90 days. Okay. And understanding that, are you pleading guilty to this charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on that date at the airport? Yeah, on that day. Were you okay? And at the time you were driving, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea. All right. Are you working?
Yes,
So who do you work for and how long have you been employed there?
I've been for years and that's now. And I do, extended, so.
Okay. What's the status of your driving record? Driver privileges. Are you still suspended?
But I'm valid.
You're valid. Good man. Good man. Anything else I should know before I sentence you?
No.
All right, fines and costs, $500. I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay the $500 today, or do you need some options? Talk downstairs, talk about your options. Any questions about how the work program works? You schedule those days. On the 4 days you pick, you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning to go out with our crew.
Like, go downstairs and, like a payment installment or that?
Two different things. You owe me $500 and 4 days. Go downstairs and make a payment plan and go downstairs and schedule the 4 days. Any questions? Have a great day.
I
got 2 more files.
Yeah.
I'll wait out here. Sit anymore. What's the name on that? I'll pull it for you.
I can't even read it.
He's not the one.
CISS, an adjournment.
Oh, be looking fun, so I need to see my family. But we go to Christmas. I'm driving.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
CISS.
Yeah, I got it. And then I've got green.
Oh, yeah.
So I started doing the.
Better off that?
I mean, it's, say 2 hours, 2 hours, if everything goes smooth.
We have Ness on the phone. Mr. McCullough is downstairs regarding work program. He can only do weekends. She doesn't have any weekends. She's nothing all the way. March or April.
I don't remember him. I remember the name.
It's.
Yeah, but he can only do weekends and.
Tell him to come up and talk to Mr. Starr again.
Do that, it's temporary disability.
Yeah, so why can't he do weekdays?
Wait a minute,
He's the guy that's not even working.
they said he's not even working. Send him up to talk to Mr.
Yeah.
Burke, and Steve told
Yeah.
him he's not working.
So he wants weekends. We don't have weekends. I mean, we're way down the road for weekend dates.
Uncle do, so.
Well, we get like 2 Saturdays a month, which obviously are booking up quick for people that have jobs. Yeah. All right, so Mr. Green, your appearance.
Oh, we start with Mr. Green, state your name, please. Daryl Green.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Yeah, we start with resolution. It's the agreement with plea, checkpoint violation. Set some for a term of 3 months.
Thank you. Mr. Green, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? You understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for this charge? Understanding the possible penalty and those rights and options, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today? Did you, on November 7, 2025, find yourself at a checkpoint at Metro Airport? At that point in time and at that location, did you have something in your possession you had no authority to have there?
Yes.
Was that a firearm? Are you satisfied? What should I know before I sentence Mr. Green?
File CPL holder.
Good.
One of the ones where you picked up the wrong bag. That bag passed. You got 2 bags that were identical, picked up the wrong bag. That bag had a file on it. There's no prior record, aside from maybe like driving license feelings, that was involved. He's a good guy.
Mhm.
Everything I said last week, he's a good guy.
Yeah, just brain fart.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Anything you want to add?
security professional.
Who do you work for?
I don't know.
Okay. How long you been doing it?
First gig was the world's biggest Christmas party, office party.
Okay. Okay. All right. Anything else?
I don't think this will affect any CPLs.
I don't think so.
It wasn't fingerprint,
Yeah, I don't think so.
and also too, I don't think the offense, itself.
Mhm. Right. Okay. Anything else? All right. So I'm going to go along with the prosecutor. You can stay out of trouble for 3 more months. All right. So stay out of trouble for 3 months. That's the delayed sentence. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $500. Can you pay that today? Give me a calendar right there. Just give me a due date.
I'm actually like going through the process of moving right now.
How about January 30? Okay, pay that when you're supposed to and stay out of trouble for 3 months, then it gets suspended. You're all set. Are you done with me?
Should you request that?
No,
No, okay,
you don't need the jury trial on record, Mr. Hadley.
thank you, and no, you're done.
I think that's it, Judge.
Okay, Jamie,
Yes, sir.
we're done? No shows?
Want to hit me this afternoon?
What's that?
You run, go be with them, or